Okay, so we're just going to have a look at a quick video to do with job costs and the difference between the non-billable and the billable job costs on a job. So we're just in our demo system here, and I'm just going to go into the jobs screen, and then I'm going to go have a look at two different jobs here. I'm going to have a look at this one here, job number 61 for Homer Simpson, and I'm also going to have a look at job 60 for Adrian Rocky. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is the Adrian Rocky one here, and we're going to just jump in and have a look at the costs. Okay, so we can see we've got three costs on a job. Okay, and we can actually have a look at the financial tab right now. Now this will actually show the coffee machine with a strike through. This means that it's marked as non-billable. So if I jump back to the costs tab here, and I'll change that one there. I'm going to tick that on as billable, hit save. Now we'll have a look at the financial tab here, and we can actually see that this amount here has changed. So the amount that we're going to bill out, it's now $5,900. And when I click the print financial summary button here, we can have a look and we can see that all of them are billable, and they're all actual costs because we've already ticked them on that we've actually incurred those. Now, of course, for this job, we haven't actually quoted it, so we have no estimated or quoted costs, but I'll just show you the difference between that now. So if I jump back to the job tab, okay, and I'm going to reset that one as being billable. Non-billable. Hit save. So again, just gonna for our demo system, put it back to how it was. But again, you can see it's gone back down to 900. Okay, and that's that financial summary that would reflect that as well. So back to the job manager here, and we're gonna have a look at the Homer Simpson job here, job number 61. Okay, and we're gonna have a look at the costs against this one here as well. So we can see we've got the two costs here, but also in the financial tab, we can actually see that we've also got a quote here for $6,160. And that's obviously reflective of the estimated billings, which is for those two costs to both be billable. Now, if I was to go into the costs and change one of those, let's have a look at the coffee machine. Let's change that to non-billable, and we hit save. If we have a look at the financial tab here, all right, we can see that the estimated billings is still the same because it's a quoted amount. Now, when we go to the print financial summary, we'll also see that there's a bit of a difference there as well. So we're going to say that this part isn't billable. However, we've quoted $5,000, so we still expect to invoice it out. But at the moment, this is the estimated profit of $3,300. And that's all because we've got that quote against it, and in the back end, we've got the estimated billings to reflect the quoted amount. So there's the difference between how we can have costs as billable or unbillable. You can see that with a quoted amount, you'll still be able to bill it out and charge that, even if it's not a billable cost. Whereas if there is no quote against the job, as was the case with job number 60, we can see that it would reflect in how much we're able to bill out. If any of this doesn't make sense, you can always give us a call. Thank you.